Transform your carrots into a very chic canapé. These are our Faux Lox and Dill Blinis. Start by peeling the carrots into thick strips, add them to a bowl, cover in boiling water, and leave to soften for around 10 minutes. Make the marinade for the carrots from soy sauce, rice vinegar, maple syrup, sesame oil, lemon juice, smoked paprika, and mix well. Drain the carrots thoroughly and add them to a container. Take a sheet of nori, tear it into pieces and add it to the carrots along with the dill. Now pour over the soy sauce marinade and leave this to sit in the fridge overnight. Make up a batch of blinis by mixing together plain flour, oat milk, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda, sugar, and mixing well. Fry these off in batches in a non-stick pan as you would pancakes, using a tablespoon of batter per blini and flipping them when bubbles appear. Top each blini with plant-based crème fraîche and a piece of the carrot lox. Finish with slithers of red onion, dill, capers, and a good crack of black pepper. These make such a cute plant-based canapé. You can make both the lox and blinis ahead of time, keep them in the fridge, and assemble them before friends and family arrive. And any leftover lox would make a great topping for a Boxing Day breakfast bagel.